Shlok 2 of chapter 1.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Sanjay Uvach. Sanjay said, "Tu drishtva vyudham pandvanikam." Now, after seeing the arrangement of the army of Pandavas, Raja Duryodhana tada upsangame acharyam. King Duryodhan then went to Acharya Drona, abravit vachnam, and said these words, Tu drishtva vyudham pandvanikam, Raja Duryodhana tada upsangame acharyam, abravit vachnam. Interpretation. Now, after seeing the systematic, gathered and governed arrangement of the army of Pandavas, King Duryodhan, the one with the nature of fighting a wicked war, then went to, that is in front of Acharya Drona, a spiritual teacher, an influential mentor, the scholar with the pot-like intellect, and said these words to his guru very proudly, like a big king.